Hey everyone. Okay, I'm going to try primary colors with a little bit of magenta and a little bit of phthalo green on a 10 by 20 canvas. We're going to do a flip and drag. Kind of hoping we get a little rainbow effect. Layering the colors is the toughest part, so we don't get too many mixing, so this ought to be cool. So I'm going to go ahead and start with Prussian blue. A little bit of phthalo green. Some azo red. Oops, that was not good. That's just white. Some magenta and some brilliant yellow, and I think I'm going to do it again. So we have some Prussian blue by Lucas. We have phthalo green from Grumbacher, Soho azo red, Soho magenta, and Artist Loft brilliant yellow. So I have about an ounce of color, if that. And I'm going to go ahead and place it in the middle of the canvas. And it's already dropping very nicely. I did spray the cup before I started with the WD-40. Okay, so now I want to try to glide on top of this white paint without digging into the canvas. Ooh, I just lost a bunch of paint there. Not good. So when I go back, it's going to mix too much. So we are not going back. No going back on that one. But I got a pile of Prussian blue there. So, this is pretty right here in the middle. Let me give it a quick torch and see. Anything's going to come up through those, and I don't see anything coming. What to do, what to do. I can tip it down. Let me try that, a slow tilt. Because I have to fill this spot in. It's really not going, is it? Okay, let me come back. All right. So I'm going to head south. Yeah, it's not moving at all up there. Trying to stretch it out a little bit. Not liking this bottom part at all. All right, let's airbrush, because I think I can fix these colors I don't like with the airbrush. We shall see. I probably could have skipped the green on this one. You can see I'm moving some color into these spots. And I broke it up a little bit so it's not just a puddle. I tip it just a little. Okay, let me turn it around. I gotta hit this spot right here. Sometimes you'll find like all the colors hiding in one spot when you airbrush, and then you're like, ooh, look at that, a rainbow. Okay. So if you're interested in trying the airbrush, in the links below is my Amazon shop, and you can get all your supplies there. I have the airbrush there, the washing machine tray, my torch. Everything that I use is there. Even these pads, not these pads in particular, but pads that will fit just like these in your tray. And cups and stir sticks. You can get 1,000 stir sticks for under 10 bucks on my page, and it's fun to go look to see what's available, and you can do some other shopping as well. I am an affiliate with Amazon, so I get a small commission for all your purchases, so it helps me buy my supplies so I can keep doing the videos. And I also have a PayPal link below if you want to sponsor my channel. And that I do it privately. I don't put your name out there for everyone to see. And I do quarterly giveaways, and my next giveaway is going to be in August for everyone that donates from May until July. And my Etsy shop is there as well. I am on vacation from June 8th until June 23rd. So my Etsy shop will be closed during that time. But if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Click click on the little bell next to it and you'll be notified when I upload my videos. Click like and share and leave a comment. And join me on Facebook. You can see dried paintings there and ask me questions. And we're kind of like a little community there. But this one, I believe, is done. The spot there that you're looking at right now, I was not too happy with that, but I'll take it. It'll dry different. So that's it for that one, and I will see you all on the next one. Thanks. Bye now.